Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, sir. My name is Langam Louie Negrel A. Langam. So, I asked 10 people about me and how do I see myself in 10 adjective words. So, this is the mask that I made. So, first, how do they see me? Well, first, they see me as dumb because I always do dumb things when I'm with them because I'm very comfortable with that. Uncanny because I'm uncanny. I don't even know what does that mean. Persistent. Okay, this is accurate. Okay, if na ako'y gusto nga makuha, kay ako din mag-work hard ko. And hindi gin give up. Enthusiastic. I think this is because enthusiastic ko if kauban ako sila kay comfortable ko sila. Faithful. I think my girlfriend said this because I am very faithful to her and I love her. Alluring. Sino bilingan ni alluring? Kalimot ko Google lang. Thoughtful because thoughtful because I am very thoughtful because I think because nakaingon sila nga thoughtful ko kay like sir kanang wala bitaw sila gaas kay ako buhaton may na nice. Okay, nice because nice ko sa ila. Affable, helpful because I always help them. Okay, last, okay, how I see myself. I see myself as a shy person because I'm very shy. Like if dili ta close, kay hindi ko mudul sa inyo. Determined because as I said earlier na if na ko gusto nga kuwaon or mag-gain kay mag-work hard dito ana. Or if in gaming, if gusto na mapatyo na monster niya, siya kapildi, yun ko muhunong until nga mapatay na ko na nga monster. Placid. I see myself placid because I'm not easily excited or get like dali ra malain na. Indecisive because indecisive kay ko like sumana kanang magkapila gid ko maguna-una ngaya ko maka-decision. Competent. I see myself as competent because naay groupings kay makaambag gid ko and akong ambag kay nagid effort kay murag dili ra gid ChatGPT nga na. Funny because I think funny ko. Mara, tingnan ko funny ko. So, yung joke. Faithful because I am faithful to my girlfriend. Gregarious because so, but sir, thank you for listening in.